Hey there, my name is Kyla. I've been on TikTok for 1 year, and this is how it went. Hey friends, what's up? Oh my goodness, I am actually so excited to film this video and just hang out with my peeps because 2 days before this video goes live, and you guys will see it, I hit my 1 year mark on TikTok. Thank you very much. Holy cow, I cannot believe it. It has definitely been one heck of a year, but I'm excited to just sit down, talk about my experience on the platform, and if you want to just hang out, let's talk about TikTok. I also want to share with you guys some of my goals going forward as well, but if that's something you're interested in, then just keep watching. For those of you who don't know, my handle on TikTok is @KylaLou, and I'm curious to know, what is your TikTok handle? So go ahead and drop that down in the comments below. I don't think there's any other way to start this video than from the beginning. Okay, so my very first TikTok that I ever posted on the platform, I posted on June 6th of 2020. And you guys, it was so bad. Oh my gosh, it was absolutely terrible. Do you guys want to see my very first TikTok that I posted? Obviously, if you go into my profile and you scroll all the way back to the very beginning of my account, you'll be able to see it. But I can't believe I'm about to do this. Let me show you guys my very first TikTok. After.
That was a hot mess inside a dumpster fire, inside a train wreck.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that was real bad. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't even know what I was thinking when I made this TikTok. Honestly, I remember just feeling so awkward and so nervous, and I had seen this challenge on TikTok a few times, and I was like, okay, for my first TikTok, I'll grab my sister, we can do this fun challenge. I had no clue how to work TikTok, I had no clue how the timers worked, and that's why I was doing this challenge with my sister, and the timer ran out at the very end, which was the most important part of the video, and I was so frustrated. It was so awkward and just really cringy. When I first started out on TikTok, I honestly felt like I was late to the TikTok party, and I was not sure if I was gonna fit in because I had the same idea of TikTok that I'm sure a lot of you have as well. Like, okay, TikTok is only meant for 11-year-old dancing teenagers. I wasn't really sure if I was gonna fit in, and honestly, those first 10 to 15 TikToks I made were just me trying to figure out how on earth to use the app. And I think that's something that's pretty important to note. Not a lot of people talk about how awkward or nervous they felt trying a new platform for the first time, especially when you have to film yourself on video. It can be pretty intimidating. For those of you who are wanting to get onto TikTok, but you still have, you're just not sure, it's okay. The great thing about it is, for the most part, people aren't paying attention to your content anyways when you first start out. So if it's crappy, no one's gonna see it. And honestly though, the best thing you can do is just jump in and start making videos and start making content, because that's the only way you're gonna get comfortable and the only way you're gonna be able to make better content in the future. Now, the analytics on TikTok are pretty good, but I'm not gonna lie. They kind of pale in comparison to YouTube's analytics, because on YouTube, you can see as far back as 365 days. But on TikTok, unless there's some magic way that I'm not aware of, you can only see as far back as 60 days. And TikTok doesn't tell you how many videos you have uploaded on your profile. I mean, hashtag first world problems. Come on, TikTok. So I went and counted how many TikToks I have uploaded since June 6th of 2020. Now, I don't know how accurate this number is actually gonna be because I literally was just scrolling on my phone, counting my TikToks, looking at the date. I've posted just over 400 TikToks since June of 2020. Okay, so I've got my notes right here. So roughly what I got was I posted 26 TikToks in June, 24 in July, 9 in August, 5 in September. Obviously, August and September were rough months for my TikTok. 27 in October, 33 3 in November, and in November of 2020 is when I started being a lot more consistent. And so at that point I had 49 in December, and really I think in December was when I started posting twice a day except for Sundays. So I think in November I started making sure I was posting a TikTok once a day, 6 days a week. And then in December I really tried to pick up my game and I started posting 2 TikToks every single day except for Sundays. Then I had 52 TikToks I posted in January of 2021, 48 in February, 54 in March, 54 in April, and then in May, I ended up taking a little bit of a break, so I posted about 13 to 14 TikToks. But, you know, with the overall average of just this year, 2021, I'm posting about 50 TikToks a month. I cannot tell you guys how long it took me to get all of those numbers. So that kind of gives you guys a look into my upload schedule throughout this past year. Obviously, when I first started out, I was not consistent at all. I was just trying to figure out what the heck I was doing. Now let's talk about followers. What the heck was that? I never do that in my videos. Okay. That was weird. So obviously I started with 0 followers. I know, none of you saw that coming. But here's kind of the cool thing too, is I did not have a huge following on any other platform. So it's not like I had a huge following on Instagram or YouTube, started my TikTok, and a lot of that following switched over to TikTok. I had none of that. So I had no following that came over and followed me on TikTok from other platforms. So I think that's important to note, right? I just know that that's something that I like to know, so I want to make sure I share it with you guys. But the really cool thing is I hit 1,000 followers on TikTok on January 9th of 2021. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I was so excited. I just remember being in my living room, I kept refreshing my TikTok, waiting for that one more follower, and then I hit 1,000 followers. It was so awesome. And I want to share with you guys actually some milestones that I hit throughout this year. And I have them all recorded here in this notebook, and I actually talk about this in one of the videos I did a couple weeks back with the Plan With Me video, and I started doing that. And what I did is I just started writing down some really exciting milestones that I've hit in my TikTok and in my business, so I can look back at the end of the year and go, dang, like this is what I accomplished. So if you guys want to check out that Plan With Me video, I will link it down in the description below. But here in my notebook, you guys can see I hit 1,000 followers on TikTok. And then let's see, if we go into February, on February 13th, I hit 2K on TikTok. So that's crazy. It took me almost 6 months to get 1,000 followers on TikTok. And within a month, I hit 2,000 followers on TikTok. And I heard a lot of creators talking about this, and I am proof that it is true. Getting to that first 1,000 takes a lot of time and takes a lot of patience, but once you can get over that milestone, things start rolling really quickly, and it's really, really exciting. So that was really cool. And let's see. So on March 12th, I hit 3,000 followers on TikTok. So again, almost a month later, I hit 3,000 followers, which was super, super exciting. And then we get into the end of March, which is really cool. So at the end of March, on March 27th, I don't know if you guys can see right there, I hit 4,000 followers on TikTok. So just like a couple weeks later, I hit another 1,000 followers. And then 3 days later after that, I hit 5,000 followers on TikTok. So going into March, I had about 2,000 followers on TikTok, and then I ended up growing by 3,000 followers. And on April 4th, I had 5,483 followers. So that is crazy. So even like the beginning of April, I had grown by almost 500 followers already. And then let's see, in April, oh, this is so exciting. I love this. If you guys can do this, I highly recommend, because it's so cool looking back. If you guys look up here at the top, I don't remember the exact dates of when I hit this, but as of April 25th, I have written down here, I hit 6,000 followers on TikTok, and then I hit 7,000 followers. Just to see the timeline of this, like within a couple months, I'm already up to 7,000 followers, and that is just crazy. And I think that goes to show the importance of showing up consistently on the platform and doing what you can to just make great content. And so by the end of April, I was at 7,830 followers. And then I was so excited. In May, I hit 8,000 followers. What I need to do is go to my notebook and write that in. I have it documented on my phone, but I hit 8,000 followers in May. And And at the time of filming this video, I have 8,267 followers. It's just really cool seeing those milestones, and I know it can be so easy, and this doesn't just happen on TikTok, but on other platforms as well. It can be really easy to hear about other people's growth, and if it's faster than yours, it's really easy to start to compare yourself. But by implementing this habit, you're able to just focus on your own journey and just be proud of yourself. I know that, getting on TikTok, I learned of some people who have hit 10,000 followers in 2 weeks of being on TikTok. And I can take that and just feel really crappy about myself and get down on myself and have that negative self-talk. Or I can just look at what I've done up to this point and just realize everyone's journey is different, and just be so proud of yourself for all the hard work you're doing. You guys are amazing, and no matter how long or fast it takes you to hit certain milestones on a certain social media platform, that doesn't take away from your worth as a person, and that doesn't even need to determine your success. You guys are so cool, and no matter what the timeline looks like, you're amazing, and please don't ever forget that. Okay, now let's jump in and do something that's a little fun. We're gonna take a look at your girls' most popular videos, and I'm gonna show you my video with the least amount of views on my entire profile. Why, you may ask? Because it's fun! Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the videos that I've made. They might not have the original audio on them because of YouTube and copyright. I might have to take the sound out of them. Maybe I'll switch it with another one. Just keep that in mind. But the first video that I had do really, really well was actually a duet video, and I actually made this video on June 19th of 2020. So it was in the same month that I started on TikTok, but let me go ahead and show you guys this video.
So you get high cause you feel low, lose yourself in clouds of smoke. You get high and lose control, drink yourself into a hole.
So yeah, that was the first video that I had do really well. 107,000 views. What? Yeah, that's crazy. And all I did was just sit there and react to this girl's video. But hey, duets work, people. Okay, the next video that I had do pretty well has 91,000 views, which is so freaking cool. Let's watch it.
So when are you guys having kids? Whenever you're ready to babysit 7 days a week. Come on, don't you want to bring a little mini you into the world? I can't take care of regular-sized me. I got married just so I'd have supervision. But kids are so rewarding. So are pizza rolls. Man, you'd love it. No.
So yeah, that's the video. And if that isn't an accurate representation of who I am, then I don't know what is. Now, this next one I think is my most popular video that I've posted on my profile so far. Again, TikTok does not tell me this. I have to figure this out on my own, but I'm pretty sure. So this video has 217,000 views. And this was, again, another duet that I did with another person. Let's go ahead and watch it. Brace yourselves.
Oh, hey girl, were you raised on a chicken farm? Because you sure know how to raise a cock.
Oh my god, that's not even funny, Dermot!
Fucking hilarious.
There are literally so many elements of that video that I absolutely love. First of all, this guy's like eating this cake. I also decided to take a drink of water, and yes, I am legit spitting the water out. I'm laughing so hard, and the joke itself is hilarious, and my favorite are his parents in the background laughing. His dad is so funny. This video, I love it so much. And now the moment you guys have been waiting for, my least viewed video on TikTok with 25 views. It's crazy. TikTok just blows my mind. I can have a video with over 200,000 views, and then I have this video which is 25 views. I posted it on November 11th of 2020. Let's check it out.
I feel like I'm dead. I'm alive, but I'm dead. You know what it feels like to feel for somebody.
So, I mean, as you guys can see, that video wasn't super exciting. There really wasn't that much happening. So I guess it kind of makes sense that that is my lowest viewed video. But, you just never know with the TikTok algorithm. And I think that's kind of what makes it exciting. But I do understand that it definitely can be frustrating at times. Now, a few more things that I want to cover before I wrap up this video. I really only went live on TikTok 3 or 4 times, which is such a bummer because I was so excited to be able to go live leading up to me hitting 1,000 1,000 followers. And if you don't know, you need 1,000 followers to be able to go live on TikTok. So I was so pumped. I hit that 1,000 followers and then I only went live like a couple times, which is something I definitely want to change going forward. And you know, basically it comes down to if you don't plan it, it doesn't happen. And I didn't plan in my schedule to go live on TikTok, and you'll never believe it, it didn't happen. Now I want to share with you guys, you know, just some of my goals going forward into the new year of TikTok. I know we're in, you know, June, but it is like the start of my second year of being on TikTok. And one of those goals is definitely, I want to look at switching over to the creator account. So up to this point, I have had a business account, and you know, the business has been really nice because right at the start, I could put a link in my profile, which is awesome. If you guys don't know the difference between business and creator, I'll link a video down in the description below that you guys can go check out, helping you know more about the TikTok Pro accounts and stuff. But I definitely want to look at switching over to a creator account. I definitely want to look at being able to use more of the sounds and stuff on TikTok and just maybe experiment with switching over. So that is something I definitely want to look at doing this coming year. I also definitely want to go live more on TikTok. What I would love to do is go live at least once a week. So that is something I'm going to try and plan into my schedule and do that more consistently, because now I have the opportunity to go live and I'm not utilizing it. So I want to get better at going live and go live more consistently. So that's something I want to do. And then the last goal that I have is just hone in my TikTok content a little bit more. Like I was telling my sister this the other day. It's like up to this point, I feel like all I've been making is crutch content. And you know, it's been working out for me so far. What I do is I get on TikTok, I look at the trends, and I just modify it slightly for what I'm doing, which is not a bad strategy at all, but I feel like I have no original content. I feel like my creativity isn't being expressed to the fullest. And so I definitely want to look at just making sure I'm honing in my content. When people go over onto my profile, they know exactly what kind of content to expect, and you know, just be more clear on what I'm trying to use my TikTok for. Also making sure I make more engaging content and just being more strategic with the type of videos I put out, maybe taking a little bit more time and effort into my TikToks. So I want to look at definitely doing that going forward. So there you guys go. That is my year on TikTok. A little recap for you guys. I know this was just more of a sit down chat type of video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions about my journey or just TikTok in general, feel free to leave that down in the comments below. I do my best to answer every single comment. So if you want to hear from me, go ahead and chat down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.